Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of these packing cubes that I got a while ago. In this video, I am going to explain everything you need to know about these cubes, these bags, including the one important thing that I think you should know before buying. So I bought these a few months ago when I went to Brazil, on my trip to Brazil with my daughter, and these were so helpful. I just love how it has different sizes and different bags for everything that you need. So as they say in the description, it comes with 8 different bags. So right here you have the underwear bag, you have the makeup bag, which is pretty cool. It has 2 sides for you to divide brushes with your makeup. It also comes with these bags right here, which is the medium size, large, and extra large for you to put clothes or anything that you are taking with you. They have this shoe bag, which I've never seen before, and I just think it's such a great idea. You have some space right here for you to put sandals or shoes, and a lot of space on the inside to put other shoes as well. You know, I just feel like this is very helpful to not get your clothes dirty, because you know the sole are always dirty, so you don't want to get that mixed up with your clothes. So this is pretty cool. They also give you this bag right here, which I think it's called the sack bag. This one that you can just close on the top, and you can use this for underwear, pretty much anything, anything that you need. And they give you this little bag for socks. I don't really use this for socks. Last time I used this to put my cords that I was taking with you, my laptop, cell phone, and it was very handy. I love the quality of it. The zippers are incredible. I haven't had any problems, you know, like breaking or anything. Pretty good. I also like the mesh fabric that they have in these, so you can kind of see what it's inside. And the main fabric, which is this one, is nylon, so it's very durable, which is good, especially when you're using these for traveling, because usually you don't take great care of luggages and etc. So yeah, that is good, you know, that the fabric that they used is very thick and durable. And now let's talk about the one important thing I said in the beginning. I think you guys should know before buying these packing cubes. Just keep in mind that when using this, it is going to take up a little bit more space in your luggage, so you know, you're not gonna have as much space, but it's going to keep everything organized. And also, even though that can be bad, you know, because you're losing some space in your luggage, I feel like these organizing bags are very helpful to me, because I don't overpack. I know I don't have a ton of space, so I'm just going to pack the necessary things. You know, I'm not going to put clothes that I'm not going to wear. I can think about it. I know, okay, so what can I put in here? And yeah, so in the end of the day, I think it's helpful to me so I don't overpack, but you know, it can take up a little bit more space in your luggage, so just keep that in mind.